Good morning to all my students. Today I have prepared the video containing some questions. Composite function and the application of derivatives. In the functions, the application of derivatives are implied, and general aspect questions. Suppose in a classroom of 140 students, some students for mathematics course and physics course and chemistry course will be like that. That is general aspect. Once I told no, on social aspects also, the questions will come from functions, from relations, from probability I told. These topics are very important for the competitive exams. Most of the students do not do correctly all these only because of the various different questions will be given. Concept is simple and same, but matter of the question and the large matter of the question, you have to go through it, you have to read till you understand, and what are the main points in it for you to use or apply in the concept, that you have to know. So for that, number of various questions we have to do exercise, and we have to intimate ourselves with them. Then only you can understand what type of questions will be given and how to overcome them. That experience you will slowly get. Because up to 2021, I will prepare videos now. So definitely you will have that much experience. Today, on general aspect, one question, and composition of functions. On composition of functions, one question, only singly f of x onto this one onto 1 bijection, not only on single function, in a combined function, f of g of x, f circle of g of x, f circle of g circle of h of x, whether it is onto or biject or only injection. Like that, some questions may be asked. How to find the kind of the function when the function is given as combination of the functions are given, how to find the types of functions. That also today in the video I have introduced. Please go through it. And another one is inverse of the function. One concept is there, f circle g of x equal to x. If g of x is the inverse of f of x, g of x is the inverse of f of x, both implies and implied by f of g of x or f circle g of x equals to x. That conceptual conceptual working rule, how it is applied, I have given you that type of question to taste once today. Okay? All of these, please don't waste time. Please go through my notes, observe it, learn it. Composition of a function. for x belongs to R minus of set of 0, 1, let f1 of x equals to 1 by x. f2 of x equals to 1 minus x. And f3 of x equals to 1 by 1 minus x. Be three given functions if a function j of x satisfies f2 circle j circle f1 of x, composite function question equals to f3 of x, then j of x is equal to f3 of x. So f3 of x, f1 of x, f2 of x, f3 of x, all these options in the question. What is j of x? We have to find. Here f2 circle j circle f1 of x can be written as f2 of j of f1 of x equals to f3 x. Question only I have written like this. Implies f2 of j of, what is f1 of x? f1 of x equals to 1 by x. So that is 1 by x. So f2 of j of 1 by x equals to f3x. What is f2 of x? What is f2 of x? f2 of x equals to 1 minus x. So this is f2 of x 1 minus x. 1 minus, in place of x, what is there? J of 1 by x equals to, what is f3 of x? f3 of x already given, that is 1 minus x. 1 minus x. So 1 minus j of, what is 1 minus j of 1 by x equals to 1 by 1 minus x. Implies j of 1 by x equals to 1 minus 1 by 1 minus x. I have simplified this LCM and I got minus x by 1 minus x. And I want to write this, I want to write this in terms of 1 by x, because this is in terms of j of 1 by x in terms of 1 by j of 1 by x means the function in terms of 1 by x. Therefore, I want to write in terms of 1 by x. This is j of 1 by x equals to 1 by 1 minus 1 by x. So what is j of x? In place of 1 by x, I have written x. Then 1 by 1 minus x. J of x equals to 1 by 1 minus x is, what is this? In the question given, f3x, f3 of x. Next, let f maps R to R be a function such that f of x equals to x cube plus x square f dash 1 plus x f double dash 2 plus f triple dash 3 x belongs to R then f of 2. In the options given, so many options will be given. The right option is minus 2 because we have to learn only right option, not wrong options. Right options you remember, that's all. F of x equal to x cube f of x equals to x cube plus x square f dash of 1 plus x f double dash of 2 plus f triple dash of 3 equation 1. This is equation 1. This is given in the question. We know in calculus, we have f dash of x equals to 3x square plus 2x for x square f dash 1. So 2f dash 1 x plus f double dash 2 into, for x derivative is 1, so f double dash 2. Derivative of f double dash 3 is a constant? No, it will be 0, so it is are not given there. This is equation number 2. F implies f double dash of x equals to 6x for this derivative. Derivative of this is 6x plus 2f dash 1 for x1, so I not kept 1. This is the equation 3. Implies f triple dash of x equal to 6 because here f double dash of x is 6x. 6 into 1 plus this is constant, this becomes 0. Therefore, f triple dash of x equal to 6. Equation number 4. In the first equation, what is the first equation given? In the question, f of x equals to x cube plus x square f dash 1 plus x f double dash 2 plus f double dash 3, it is given. To find f of x, first of all we have to find f of x because he has asked you f of 2. So I want to find f of x. To find f of x, find f triple dash 3, f double dash 2, f dash 1, because that is in the equation. This we must know. This value, some constant we must know. This constant we must know. This constant we must know. If you substitute all these constants, and we will get f of x. Then you can easily find f of 2, what is required in the question. That is why f triple dash of 3 equal to 6 from equation 4. Equation 4. F triple dash of 3. Whatever you put here, this is constant function. 3 or 2 or 4, whatever the number, or 100. That is always 6 only. So f triple dash of 3 equal to 6 from 4. F double dash of 2 is, where it is f double dash of 2? Where is f double dash of 2? F double dash of 2 is 12 plus 2 f dash 1. 12 plus, go back, 12 plus 2 f dash 1. What f dash 1? Go back, f dash x will be there. No, you keep 1 in the previous steps. 3 plus 2 f dash 1 plus 12 plus 2 f dash 1 from second equation. So 3 f dash 1 equals to minus 15, because this is 2 f dash 1, 2 f dash 1, 4 f dash 1. and f dash 1, if you send that side, 3 f dash 1 equals to 12 plus 3, 15 minus 50, f dash 1 equals to then minus 5. Therefore, f dash 2 equals to 12 plus 2 into minus 5 equal to 2. So, f dash 2 equal to 2. From the equation 1, we are going to find the function f of x equal to x cube plus x square. We have substituted all these things, f dash 1, f dash, f double dash 2, f triple dash 3. We have substituted. Therefore, we got f of x equal to x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 6. F of 2 we want, that is the requirement in the question, f of 2, just to substitute 2, we got minus 2. F of 2 is minus 2 is the right option. In a class of 140 students, numbered 1 to 140, all even numbered students opted maths course. Those whose number is divisible by 3 opted physics course. And those whose number is divisible by 5 opted chemistry course. Then the number of students who did not opt for any of the 3 courses is the right option. The right answer is 38. Question is large questions will be given for you. So inside, very simple. Here one small concept we use. MC, maths course, N of A, I have kept A, maths, N of A. This is greatest integer function. Out of 140, even set of even numbered, since A, B set of even numbered, so 140 by 2, 70. What is this? This is not the bracket. This is since greatest integer function. We so-called step function we call, no? That one we have to use. You see, in this question, this is very, very, very important model question because we have used one concept divisible by like this. So, student number we will get. That number will not be, should not be the fraction, no. Integers must come, no. That is why we have to use the greatest integer function concept we have to use here. N of B, PC, physics course. B I have taken N of B 140 by 3 because he has given those whose number is divisible by 3 opted physics course. So here opted by 3 physics course. This is not bracket, this is greatest integer function symbol like this. So what is this? 3 4 12, 20, 3 6 18 and 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is not counted because this is greatest integer function equal to 46. CC, chemistry course, N of C equals to, here divisible by 5. You see here, those whose number is divisible by 5 opted completed chemistry course. So here n of c 140 by 5. Step of 140 by 5. Greatest integer function of 140 by 5 equals to 5, 2, 10, 45, 8, 40. Here cut. Here it is not cut. 2 by 3 something, 3, 4, 12, 20, 16, 3, 6, 18, and 2 by 3 has come. 2 by 3 is not counted because that is by greatest integer function. Greatest integer function we have to apply in this case. Nice. Next, all set operations. N of A in section B. N of A this much, N of B this much. N of A in section B means 2 into 3, 6. You see here, since 2 into 3, 6. N of B in section C, 140 by BC, 3 into 5. You see, BC, B, 3, and C, 5. So 3 into 5, 3 into 5 by 15. So we got 9. The greatest integer function. Here, 135 and 5 by 15, 1 by 3 will be coming decimal part something. The only greatest integer part only we will use here. N of C intersection A, 140 by 10 because 5 into 2 because that is CA, 5 into 2, C5 and A is, we already know that is even numbers. No? Even divisible by even, he has told in the question, therefore 5 into 2, that is 10. Now N of A intersection B intersection C, 140 by 2 into 3 into 5, that is 34. Now N of A union B union C equals to, one formula is there, that is one formula is there, N of A union B union C equals to N of A minus sigma N of A intersection B plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Sigma N of A means N of A plus N of B plus N of C. N of A 70, N of B 46, N of C 28. So here 70, 46, 28 minus sigma N of A intersection B means N of A intersection B, N of B intersection C, N of C intersection A, 23, 9, 14, 23, 9, 14, all the sigma. This is N of A intersection B intersection C. This is N of A intersection B intersection C is 4. So that is 4. We got 1 or 2. What is the question? Number of students who did not opt any one of the 3 courses equals to total students minus total students minus N of A union B union C, that is 140 minus 1 or 2 equals to 38. This is our option, right option we got. This is not the question for the competitive exam. I want to tell you because I like this. Leonhard Euler has given one formula. This formula, I love this formula, that is why I want to tell you this is equation of beauty. This is not for competitive exams. General research, my research point in the mathematics, I would like to tell this, that is why 1 minute only. EI pi plus 1 equal to 0. This is given by 18th century Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler. Pi I E 1 0. These are the constants, all constants. That is in this equation. EI pi plus 1 equal to 0. Here pi I E 1 0. He has described, Leonhard Euler described, pi face, I means eyes, E means ears, 1 means nose, 0 means lips closed. Constants are brought together. Euler's formula marries the world of circles, imaginary numbers, and exponentials. Let n be the set of natural numbers and two functions f and g be defined as f comma g maps n to n such that f of n equals to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. G of n equals to n minus of minus 1 whole power n. Then f circle G is onto but not 1 1, or surjection but not injection. For this, for every student, the solution becomes very simple by taking natural numbers, because our domain is natural number like that. For that, I have taken like this. You see, f of 1 equals to 1, I have taken f of 1 equals to 1. You see here, what is f of 1? 1 is odd, so 1 is odd. 1 plus 1, 2 by 2, 1. F of 1 equal to 1. F of 1 equal to 1. F of 2. 2 even. 2 by 2. F of 2, 1. 2 by 2. Even no. 2 even no. So f of 2, 1. Like that I have found up to f of 6. Next, g of 1, 2. G come G. G of 1. 1 minus of minus 1 power 1. So this is minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. G of 1 is G of 1 is 2, because for G of n there is no odd even difference. So G of 1 is 2. See, G of 2, what is G of 2? 2 minus 1 square, 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. So G of 2 is 1. What is G of 3? G of 3 means 3 minus 1 whole cube. So this is minus 3 minus 1, 2. G of 3 is G of 3. What is G of 3? 4. G of 3, 4. How? It is not 2. G of 3. 3 minus of minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Minus 1 into minus plus 3 plus 1. G of 3, 4. Like that I have found up to. So next. F circle G of x equals to f of G of x. What is f of G of x? Here f of G of x. Suppose for one f of G of x, f of G of 1. F of G of 1 how much? F of 2. What is f of 2? 1. 1. Next, f of G of 2 means f of G of 2. What is G of 2? 1. So f of 1. So what is f of 1? 1. So 1. So in the function, in the composition of the function, f of G of x function, if you take 1, n, natural number 1, you got 1. 1 is associated with 1. If you take 2, even 2 also we can associate with 1. So by this we can easily understand f of G of 3. F of G of 3 means f of G of 3. What is G of 3? 4. F of 4. What is f of 4? 2. So here f of G of 3 is 2. Here f of G of 4 means f of G of 4. F of G of 4 means 3. So f of 3. So what is f of 3? 2. 2. So if you take a composite function for f circle G of 3 gives 2 and f circle G of 4 also gives to 2. So distinct elements have no distinct images. But in this codomain, for every image, at least one pre-image is there. At least why? Why at least? That is the definition. So, but here in this case, for one image 1, for the image 1, there are 2 pre-images, 1 and 2. For this 2, there are 2 pre-images, 3 and 4. Okay. What is the definition of onto? For every codomain, for every image in the codomain, it must at least have 1 pre-image. But here 2 pre-images, no problem. So onto occurs. Onto holds, surjection holds, but 1 does not. Injection does not hold because here domain 1 is there, 1 of course for 2. Another distinct image must be there, but it is also connected, associated with 1. Therefore, distinct elements have no distinct images. No injection, no 1, but onto will happen. That is, onto but not 1. Come to the next question. In this question, inverse function, the concept of the inverse function on this not one time, sometimes the questions are prepared on this concept. That is why concept I have written first as heading. G of x is the inverse of f of x. Implies and implied by f circle G of x equal to x. G of x is the f circle G of x equal to x. Then G of x is the inverse of f of x. G of x is the inverse of f of x, then f circle g of x equal to x. It is very, 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 very important conceptual theoretical principle. So f circle g of x equal to x means nothing but g of x is the inverse of f of x. For that we can write this one formula as one formula. What is the question in the competitive exams? If g is the inverse of a function of f and f dash x equals to 1 by 1 plus x power 5, then what is g dash of x? That is the question. Option is 1 plus g of x whole to the power 5. This is very old type question, but fundamentally I have started this fundamental. That is why I have taken this one for you. Directly sometimes it may be given, no problem, in the competitive exams. And also in the different models of the functions. Not only the question format is not always like this. The question format may be changed. But you have to use the conceptual principle is f circle g of x equal to x. If g of x is the inverse of f of x, this conceptual principle you should apply in it. But this question is may be changed, the question may be changed, but this application may be there. So in the further videos, I will give you 3 or 4 model questions on this, not this one. Apart from this or other than this, 4 or 5 questions I will arrange in my future I update videos how it is, you see. So g is the inverse of f of x. Immediately f circle g of x equal to x. This is what? This is the principle of the inverse function. Now what we are going to do? DC means derivative with respect to x, differential coefficient with respect to x. This is f of g of x. So f of g of x means f dash g of x into g dash of x equals to, for x derivative is 1. Derivative of f of g of x is g dash of x, internal derivative g dash of x into f dash of g of x equals to, for x derivative is 1. Now we want what? We want g dash x. So g dash x equals to 1 by f dash of g of x equals to, how it has come suddenly, f dash of g of x. What is f of f dash of x? 1 by 1 plus x power 5. What is f dash g of x? 1 by 1 plus g of x whole power 5. But where it is 1 by, again 1 by 1 plus g of x whole power 5. For this downward term, we write this one. 1 plus g of x whole power 5. Here, 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by, again, 1 plus g of x whole power 5. Then it will be reversed. It will be, and the answer is 1 plus g of x whole power 5. I think you have gone through the notes I have given you, what I have explained. I think and I hope you have understood it, what I explained. follow regularly all the videos for all updates, updated videos every day. Now what we are doing previous 10 years previous JEE mains questions on the topic of relations, functions we are discussing. This is very important. Let us discuss some number of some collection of questions which are collectively, which are selected, which are selectively taken by me, and I am giving you those questions. By that, you may have some experience in solving or in the application of the conceptual working rules. Okay, today I have given you, I think and I hope you have gone through it, you have understood it. In addition to this video, daily you have to do exercise. Once I told, first you finish the NCERT textbook, NCERT relations, functions, please complete the exercise. Parallelly, in addition to it, observe my videos, follow my videos, understand new concepts and working rules, applications, new applications and working processes. Please follow them. That is very, very important. For all this, tell your friends, relatives, kith and kin. This is very important about my videos, so that to many people it may reach. For that, like, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe all the videos. If you subscribe it, automatically my videos will come to your channel. That channel, you can observe, you learn something better and more. Definitely what I feel. For you only, I am preparing daily the videos. At the same time, I am preparing only a few questions. I am not dumping, though I know 20 questions, 30 questions, 15 questions, 10 questions, not like that. Because time factor is there. To avoid your boredom, you may feel boredom. That is why I have, with a few questions, I am coming before you and I am doing videos. Cooperate this and spread this. Tell your friends, kith and kin. Tell your friends, kith and kin, to all people, and then say to them, subscribe, share, like. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like it. Thank you. Bye. Please, tomorrow video also, please follow that. Thank you very much. Thank you.